Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I have something super exciting to share with you all, something that I have been working upon for quite a while. If you are getting started into AI or you just love to learn or explore new things, trust me, you're gonna love it. I'm excited to announce that I have officially launched my very first digital product, that is an ebook for prompt engineering. It's something that I believe will help you in your journey with AI, especially when it comes to prompt engineering. Stay tuned till the end of the video because I will tell you exactly how you can get your hands on this ebook available for you. Now, let me quickly walk you through what this ebook covers and why you should care about reading this ebook. So, without wasting much time, let's get started. So, guys, welcome back on the screen. So, let's see what is the ebook. Let's have a quick walkthrough to understand what all topics are being covered and how it can be utilized in a proper manner. So jumping to the ebook. So guys, over here, so the ebook starts with the basics, which is beginner friendly, where first we understand the prompt engineering, why is it important, the justifications of it being important, and every pointer is having one example. So what is the right way of writing prompt, and what is the wrong way of writing prompt, and how it can be corrected with one example each. Then we understand what are the techniques and for effective prompt engineering, where we mention few of the frameworks of prompt engineering. Then we talk about common mistakes that you need to avoid with some examples against, and some techniques for troubleshooting. Once we do that, then we move ahead by and understand what is prompt frameworks, how prompt frameworks work. Once we understand that, then we start focusing on some advanced part of writing some specialized prompts. So first we start with few shot prompt, where we understand what is few shot prompt. Then we go through some examples of few shot prompt over here, a real life example where first we are giving 3 examples and then is our final prompt. Then we move to zero shot prompt. Again, first we understand its introduction and its detail. Then we move ahead and look at few of the examples of zero shot prompt. Then we understand the difference between both of them, that is zero shot and few shot, along with some benefits. Then we move towards the more advanced part, where we talk about some frameworks, which are the bigger frameworks that we implement. The first framework is chain of thoughts prompt, where we understand why it matters, the concept behind it, and by using it, how you can write effective prompts. Then we go through the big examples of this prompt frameworks. So the first example is legal case analysis for COT. Then the second example is for eco-friendly packaging startup in detail. And then we move towards the next framework, that is Ryzen. So in Ryzen, first we start with the introduction. Then we break down that Ryzen framework into 5 parts. First is role. First where we understand the introduction of role, why it's required, and one example. Then introduction from Ryzen. Then steps that you need to define in Ryzen prompt, and then end goal that you need to define in Ryzen prompt, and last but not the least, the narrowing part. Once you understand all of this, then we have good examples over here. So first examples with Ryzen prompt is for writing a great resume. The second one is for getting a balanced diet for health based on your use case. Then tourist attractions in Paris, must-see tourist attraction in Paris. Then budgeting for beginners. There are 4 examples for Ryzen prompt. Then moving forward, we the next prompt comes into picture is a roles prompt framework, where we again break it down into 5 and understand it step by step, where first we understand role, then objective part of roles, then details part of roles with example, then example, which is again part of the role framework, and then last but not the least, send check along with some examples. Then we have the final examples as a whole of roles framework, where you can see first we are giving this for prompt engineering, the second one is for blogging, and the third one is for the YouTubing. Then last but not the least is the PAR framework, where we start with introduction and then again we break it down into its architecture, that is problem, action, and result, where we understand all of them, and then we move ahead with some examples, real-time examples, that how it can be used. So this is what all we are going to cover as part of this specific ebook. So now we have understood that how we can go through this ebook and what all topics it has covered. So the next step is to understand how you can get this ebook. To get this ebook, I have published this ebook in my TalkMate profile. where you can get this ebook over here. So this is pay as you wish. If you want, you can pay for it. If you don't want, you can access it free of cost. So this is available on my TopMate profile. I will share this link in the video below. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this tutorial has given you valuable insights into the world of prompt engineering. If you're ready to dive even deeper and master the art of crafting powerful prompts, be sure to check out my ebook on prompt engineering. It's packed with actionable insights, tips, and real-world examples that will help you take your AI interaction to next level. Feel free to leave any questions or thoughts in the comments below, and I am here to help you. Happy prompting, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.